Good afternoon. May hapon and we are here sa Alcos Fun Park for a photo shoot of Naya, Rama's beloved princess. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, so 4 o'clock may perfect na yung natin, lighting. So it's my first time na mag-shoot ng tawag ito bata, baby or something. I'm more on kasi food photography tsaka diba, mga pets. But anyhow, let's just do our best for Naya. Hello Naya. Hi there. So when is your birthday? December what? 2, 1, 3, 4. Kailan birthday niya? 2. Ay, kasabay sila ni Monique. I see. So guys, ito na yung Barsha Fun Park. Daming tao, sakto lang. It's a holiday.
I remember Monique.
Yeah, Monique.
Makalabas ka dyan.
Yes, I can.
I remember
Monique,
that
the
girl.
one friend of your mind that is blondie and
Big.
big. Monique, you're big, sorry.
Oh, it's coming from a kid na. Sorry, Monique.
Yeah, she's big of an heart. Ganun. Sa puso
Yeah,
niya.
big
So,
by the
ganun.
heart.
Sige na, baba na kami. Naya, baba na tayo. Picture na tayo. Let's go.
Meron akong green. Sa tingin mo okay yung green?
Pwede, magmukhang damo.
I like videos.
Let's go.
Yun na lang si-
Oh, hold this one. Gusto mo mag-vlog ikaw? Insert this one sa loob. Tapos magsalita ka lang, ha?
Hi guys, we're here. We're here at the park.
Naya, wait lang ha.
Yes.
I will ready everything.
So today is my day of. No, we're at the park. My name is Roman Ivan Madon. We're just taking photo pictures.
Uy, nasa'yo talaga yan.
Yes. We're going to take photo pictures in the park. I'm going to have fun. Okay. Ask to my mom.
Here natin siya.
Yeah. Now I'm going out.
Hello! We're here in Alcos and unloading the props for the photo shoot.
Wala pa na itong
Naputol ko, sorry.
And we're here. Ang ganda pala ng area kasi kita yung Burj Khalifa dito.
See the moon!
May Burj Khalifa doon.
Careful lang, may sasakyan.
Naya,
I can see the moon!
but it's too early. Let's go.
I bring this. Akin na yung ano. Ayan na.
Ha, kaya. Naya, here. Doon tayo sa medyo tahimik. Walang tao na. Yeah, but we need to take pictures of you first. Oh, say hi. Tara na, dahil birthday mo.
Hi.
Let's go.
We're here.
Ako siguro, di lang ano.
Guys, today I'm so happy.
Talk to the camera.
Today there's someone's birthday. My mom and mine's like get to go to the park. I'm so excited. Nana, can we play?
No, picture of her.
Oh. Please. Please.
Guys, we start to setting up the Naya's things here. Pictorial kami. Tapos her mom is fixing the
Aray ko.
princess house. Let's go. Bring over there. This is the one we will set up it here. Ilalagay natin set up natin dito para may ano tayo. May props tayo for pictorial, di ba? Ganun. But here, she's playing around her books. Something, just mix and match. Lagay natin to. Ganon. Tapos doon siya. Tapos doon ang view natin for pictorial. O kaya dito. At tapos yung dollhouse niya. Tapos lalagay natin dyan. Set up natin. Tapos picture na tayo. You know, it's just here. And last year, yun yung sa ano, sa Alsip, no?
Huh?
Sa Alsip, yun ba yun? Yung sinend mo?
Last year.
Sa Instagram. Kunin ko muna siya ng casual, ganyan. Ha? Naglalaro siya. Now.
Mang Romy.
I want Romy. I need Romy.
Even my daughter likes Romy. Sabi niya sa 7th birthday daw niya. Kasi next year, March, mag-Romy daw siya.
Everyone likes Romy.
Why?
because-
Any reason why?
You know,
Why?
Why do you like Romy?
because I like Romy because
Picture ko
she
kayo.
has a purple hair.
Aside from that, how about the other two?
And I like the color t-shirt.
How about the orange one and the green one?
Cute. Shoot.
What's their name?
What's their name now? The other
Menu?
singer.
No, the other Romy's friends.
Mira Zoe.
Oh, I like Zoe because she has short hair.
I like Romy because she has big hair.
Romy. Then you sing. You need to sing Demon now. Demon.
Hey, Nana, let's play.
Oh, here. Oh, freeze gun. Ito, hawak mo yung balloon. Dito may banda. Dito. That's this side. Okay, freeze. Wait lang.
Please lang.
1, 2, 3. Dito na side.
Oh, wait lang. Lagyan natin ng accessories.
Like, look like a Romy now.
Ano siya? Quintex talaga.
Mukha mo na si Romy talaga. See, if you go there to the...
Alis ka.
Alis ka dyan, Miming. See,
Wait.
Naya, if you went there, you will get dirty now. You cannot wear a princess dress now. You will not be like Romy now. Good thing you didn't go there.
Good thing that you're listening.
Ganda naman yan.
Can we do the necklace?
Necklace pa? Huwag na necklace.
I want.
Ganda pa rin naman eh. Say hi to you.
Hi friends, this is my big day.
Yeah, she
I
look
want-
like Romy now. Princess Romy.
Yes.
Done na.
How about
Wala tayong earrings. Sorry.
that one?
This one? This one is not good. Kasi sira na.
No.
Tsaka, baby, you're gonna be hurt. Sira nga yan.
What's this?
Gusto mo pa talaga yung malaki ha? Oh, no pin.
Mabigat man yan.
It's heavy. Oh, sige na, okay na yan. Dali.
Oh, you look like Rumi talaga.
Princess ba si Rumi? Hindi kasi tayo marunong.
Rumi is a princess too.
Dalo
Right?
Miming, alis ka.
Miming, malis ka dyan. Miming, di ka kasama sa picture. Si Naya lang. It's Naya's day. Right? Okay na. Look at here. Smile. Wave. And then go. Diretso ka lang. Lakad straight there. Yan.
Can I play?
Yeah, played it.
Kalan niya kalan niya sa
Yes.
para sa kanya.
Part na to kasi hindi siya crowded. Kahit ano ngayon na weekend tapos holiday pa. Marami siyang marami namang vacant part pa rin. Unlike kung gasasabil ngayon, Saturday tapos holiday, expected na yun, daming tao. So dito naman sa Barship Pan Park, maganda din siya. May pa siya, may pan. Kaya nga siya tinawag na Alcus Pan Park pala. Alcus, di pala Barsha. Barsha ako ng Barsha. Kanina ako ng Barsha ng Barsha. So let's go there sa may pond area. Tapos makita yung view ng Burj Khalifa. So, yeah, for the day, let's go. Ngayon sa Dubai Ran, wala akong pisang nga nakaganon ako. Video. Walk lang. Sumusunod siya. Look, there's a fountain.
Wow!
Tapos may running track din nila dito. Ganda dito guys. Wow, see the Burj Khalifa view. Ano na, ubos na yung tubig. It's a lake. Pond. Wow, so big.
I make it bigger. Look at the birds.
Oh wow, there's so many.
They're 100 to 100,000.
Lodge. Okay, play game.
Red, set.
Slowly, slowly. Wala pa nag-freeze.
Ready, set,
Game.
go.
Opo.
Dumaan.
Lasing.
Ganda dyan. Naya. 1, 2, 3, freeze. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Walk. Sige na, walk ka na. Walk ka muna. Walk. Then freeze. Why? Freeze, 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 freeze. Look at the camera.
Freeze.
Stand. Freeze.
Ready.
Freeze there.
Can I play?
Freeze, please. Go back in the mountain. Ito na?
Ayun ko yung regalo.
Hello. Say hi. What's your name? Donna, what's your name?
What's your name?
Laura. Laura. Hello, Laura.
Ang dami niyang events, no? Chess ka pang nalalako. Kanina may Arabic, tapos ngayon may chess. Tara na, yagit na yan. May habit mo naman siya. How old are you now? Hindi siya marunong Tagalog? Hindi marunong mag-Tagalog. Hindi nga siya marunong mag-Bisaya. Parang same tayo ng t-shirt.
Again! You. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Bakit ang king?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Smile lang, smile lang. Smile lang.
Ang kulit eh. Hindi na tayo.
Magka-cafe pa nga tayo. Sa Lazy Cat. Masarap dyan. Oh, first time mo din.
Nana, balong.
Yung mga paborito talaga yun ng mga bata. Si Lala. Si Lara na 3 years old. Ang bilis na mag-ano. Parang ako pa yung...
Oo, natatakot. Akala mo ba ano, any moment babagsak?
Ayun, magpa-practice na kami ng ano, dam, tsaka ginto.
Alam mo naman tayo.
And we're done. And we're done. So, tapos na kami. We just go to, may ano dito eh, may coffee shop dito. Turkish, yeah, Turkish cafe. Let's go na kaya. Turkish cafe, Lazy Cat ang pangalan. So, check, visit there. And what's in,
Sa gitna ka.
what they offer.
Ginamit yun
Coffee, for sure. It's what love, right?
Alam mo naman.
It's 5:30 in the afternoon but medyo madilim na guys kasi winter ang sa Dubai ba. Kaya ganun, madalis na mag-ano, gusto na dumilim. Ayan.
Natry niya. Ano ba kayo? TikTok nung open like nakaraan.
Yun sa ano, hospital
Kaming
sila.
tatlo lang ni Mona.
Nai-post niyo yun?
Kay ano, kay April ata na?
Sa story ko lang.
Kay April din, nasa TikTok niya.
Kaninong phone ba yun? Parang kay April ata na.
April na yun, nasa TikTok niya.
By that side.
Ay,
Yes.
sa baba, yeah. Just follow the...
Aya, careful.
Careful nga, be careful, be careful.
Slowly.
Yung kagandahan din sa Alcuspan Park kasi ano siya, family friendly na area kasi wala mga bachelor or something ganun, mga family yung mga nandito. Kaya safe yung area, ang ganda.
Ay, gusto ko siya pero hindi ko kaya.
Pwede. Doon sa may ano, may fountain 10.
Ayaw mo sa kaya.
Ayoko sa public. Pag sa bahay.
Last ano, 2 Fridays ago ba? Tama? If I'm not mistaken. Net, 3 Friday na nakaraan. Kasama ko nag-Jumeirah 2 yung pinsan ni Ken. Oo, nag-beach kami. Kasama sila. Eh, sumaya na sila ng Opalite. Can't tell. Guys, grabe. One of a kind. Alcuspan Park, beautiful. Parang yung nasisinaga ng liwanag yung ano, Burj Khalifa, kumikinang siya.
Yeah. Sinadya nila yun.
Dapat pala, nung nagpunta kami, pinin namin sa Liligan. Sa...
Akala ko andito kami.
Wala ang pinin ko kasi yung Alcuspan Park.
That view is... Panin natin yung building na yun. Tanggalin na yun dapat.
Ano dyan?
Yung nakaharap.
Di ba dapat bawalan nila yung mga ano, mga iconic landmark lang?
Parang yung sa Pinas ba, sa Luneta, tinayuan ng ano, yung likod.
Ba't bawal?
Nasa loob pala.
Is the cat lazy? Or is the cat lazy? Or lazy, this is the cat.
Sikat
Who's the lazy guy? Sino yung dalawa? Maraming cut dyan. We're here, now sa lazy guy. Space here.
Iwan ko lang to sa karma. Lara.
Follow your mom.
Yung check?
Oo, yung iwalay na bill.
4 cheese, 60 slice, no spicy for kids. Is scope, side fries, and seasonal. Whatever is ready, they will serve, madam, okay?
Salamat.
For kids ba? Ano? Ano yan? Di?
For cheese
Ah, for cheese. Ako for kids.
Wala silang hand wash. Ang haba ng pila.
Sa CR nila?
So it's just the 4 of us here?
I'm included.
No, this is not third party, Mama. It's a Victoria.
There's 5 of us.
There's 5 of us.
Alright.
Because it's Naya's, what? Naya's day?
Victorian
Yeah,
Wow.
Victoria Day.
Pwede mo.
Eddie Walker's dog.
Nasa ano? Nasa ni Justin tsaka si Pablo sa Biniverse.
Nandun sila?
Ayun na.
Wait, turn on. Mama, let's take pictures of
Eddie,
this
wow.
one. Let's
Ba't sila na ano?
Let's take
Friends,
pictures
friends.
of this one.
Wala kasing ticket.
No. It's a first time here, Mama. What do you mean?
Alam mo, mamasamain na naman yan ng ano. Sabihin na naman nila, nag-spy para ano.
Naya's asking why it's white pizza. Naya, why it's white?
It is Tuesday.
It's
Oh.
creamy. It's creamy and it's Christmassy.
It is Tuesday.
Maraming white pizza. Is it Naya's?
Sabi, for
Can I have a latte?
for cheese pizza.
For cheese.
Ang dinig mo, for kids pizza.
For kids. Kaya sabi ko, for kids. Paano ba kids mo makainin?
Hindi kami pwede.
Wala ka. At ikaw, wala na.
Pero ito pizza cheese.
Sarap, diba?
Shall I remove the pepperoni?
This one.
Sorry. Wala na pepperoni?
Sila pakainin.
One for API. Don't use your hands. Wait.
What is it? A mother and daughter bonding?
Over
May left and right? Na malone?
Labas tayo ulit next time. With the kids.
Take your kids. Oo nga, enough din.
Kasi tayo palang may kasi. Yung kids nito na
White ang mga chika baby.
Lazy cat. Sorry.
Sabi ko, Blay, ibig sabihin ko.
Thank you po.
Pero pag regular days po, Monday to Thursday, hindi siya ganun ka-busy. Pero kung ano naman sir, kung gusto po nila pumunta, meron din po kaming online waiting list.
Ah, I
Kunwari
see.
pag Saturday, Sunday, kasi busy siya, before po sila pumunta, i-check na po nila. Para i-add na din po nila yung
Assurance,
name
no?
nila. Opo.
Pati breakfast nyo, ano? Busy na din.
Kapag ano po, pag Friday, Saturday, Sunday, opo, medyo
Ano namin, na-search to namin for ano, sa breakfast nyo, yung mga pancakes, ganun. Eh, may pictorial kami dun sa bata, kaya hapon na kami pumunta.
mas okay nga po na pumunta po kayo ng hapon.
Umaga,
Kasi kanina
hapon.
po, meron po kaming, yung waiting time po namin,
Dami.
approximately 2 hours. Sobrang dami po
Holiday kasi din,
Opo.
weekend pa. Sige po, salamat.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye. Ay, ganda picture niya, no? Nakahiga sila. Grabe naman. Grabe naman yung view na yan.
Ganda ng view.
Sabi nila, I like to be called ate, no?
Wow, what a view. Picture kayo. What a cafe. Ang ganda ng cafe niya kasi ano siya.
Kailangan mo ng
Ganda ng interior tsaka ambience vibes. medyo busy nga lang kasi weekend tapos holiday pa. Pero at least magdating namin di nagaan. Bye guys, see you next time. Joy.
Bye. Sa next grade date ko na nabigay.
Happy birthday again, Bobby.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy Australia, mate. Enjoy koala bear and kangaroo.
Hindi ikaw, bakit ano?
Ate Lara, she's meeting she's got to see a koala bear.
Ang effort
Ang tita Donna.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Amping, amping. Amping Lara.
Bye.
Parang sad siya.
Uy, wala